Welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I am going to show you guys how you can enable save boot option in Windows 11. So for that, first you have to open the run. You can also press like Windows and R to open it. Then you have to type msconfig and press enter. So once it has been opened, you have to click on boot and then you have to click on save boot options. So you may choose the default option, that's the best thing, and then all you have to do is just click on apply and click on OK. So when you open like your computer next time, then it will like open in save boot. So that's how you like basically enable save mode in Windows 11. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.